Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can play Fortnite on Doogee S98. So first let's see Google Play Store and try finding Call of Duty, Fortnite. But as we all know, the game is not available here. No results found. Now let's move on to the Epic Games Launcher, which you can download from their website, Epic Games Store. And right here we can see the Fortnite, and if we click on get, this device is not supported. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.